Hello 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add a finished back to a cabinet. In your most recent catalog, let's go ahead and place a base cabinet as if we're doing like an island. And what you'll do is go into the cabinet and go to Attributes. And we'll go to Add-ons and we'll go to Back Modifications. And you'll see right there the very first one says Finish Back. So go ahead and click on that and hit Apply and OK. And it's as simple as that. Take a look at the picture. When you do this, the cabinet will have a 3/4 inch matching species plywood back with banded edges, and the depth of your cabinet will not change. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection, and be sure to let us know if there are any other 2020 learning topics that you'd like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!